You probably already know that there are plenty of reasons why a Plunge router is a great investment. For me personally, a Plunge router was one of the first power tools I bought as I began woodworking. But how do you know a Plunge router is worth your hard-earned money? This video will teach you how to choose the right Plunge router for your needs. There are many products available to choose from, each with different characteristics, benefits, and prices. To help you make an informed decision, I did extensive research, read tons of reviews of customers, and compiled a list of the best Plunge wood routers from reputable brands. After much research, I found these products much helpful for people like you. If you want to know about the price and other information, be sure to check my description. So without any further delay, let's jump into the video. Number 1. DEWALT Router Plunge Base Kit. DEWALT is known in the power tool industry as a leader in quality and customer service, and this kit is no exception. A 3-year limited warranty and excellent documentation offer new and experienced users alike with consumer confidence. Number 2. Makita Compact Router Kit. This is another design that keeps the housing at a minimum, allowing users to operate it for longer sessions without becoming tired. A slim design also offers you a better view of the action at the base for more control during cuts. Number 3. Triton Dual Mode Precision Plunge Router. This product from Triton is designed to provide you the convenience of a combination router, with the bonus of not requiring base changes. That is due to the button-activated selector that converts the router from fixed base operations to a plunge router. You will save a lot of time with this feature compared to having to change out base types. Number 4. Makita Plunge Router. For those looking for more power, this 15-amp model should fit your needs. A 3.25 horsepower motor will offer you to take advantage of the deeper cuts this router can make. It is designed for serious woodworking as well as commercial applications. Number 5. Festool EQ Imperial. Festool 574692 is ideal for trimming laminate, decorating solid edges, and making heavy cuts. This unit is strong, reliable, and durable. Known for its clean and mess-free design, the Festool router also boasts ergonomic comfort, accuracy, and control.